Your accountant should be more than a bookkeeper. An entrepreneurial CPA thinks like a business owner because they are one. I think a traditional accountant is just, I want all of the information. I want, you give me everything you've got, right? You just give me everything you got at the end of the year. We'll take care of it. We'll get you to sign off on it and we move on. And those are those bare bone packages that, accountants offer, and that's what they do. There's no relationship built. There's no understanding of the business and what they're looking for. The way that accounting is, at least around this area, just responding right now is a challenge for a lot of accountants and capacity. So we make sure that every time that we're working with a client, we have the capacity for that client so that they actually have that team behind them and they have that one responsible accountant that they can go to. Strategic advice is, how do we make sure that those numbers, when we pull them, look great? Let's hire an employee. Like, we know that cash flow is looking like this right now. We know that we've got more clients coming on board. You're growing at this astronomical pace. We need to make sure that you have the capacity to take that on. Now, if somebody does that right when they hit capacity, they're actually already lost. It's too late. So you want to do that before you hit that. And the only way you're going to do that is you have this strategic advice in the forefront to understand when you're starting to hit that place that now it's the time to go ahead and hire. The cash flow, the structure, the growth, that's what's really gonna set up your success for your business. Because now that you're hiring employees, you have a payroll. You have certain people that you have to pay and you have to manage, and they have to get paid first, right? The ideal time is, I am starting to get overrun with capacity. I cannot handle it, but I can make a mini me, ideally, in an ideal situation, that can handle it. When you're a solopreneur working on your own, and you realize that you've got a great business, your capacity is loaded, and you're looking to hire. You're looking to get that next contractor, that next employee. That's when you really need to start thinking about that and thinking about, how is my accountant gonna support me in that? So for our clients, we've done full on system redevelopments for them and figure out, here's what you need to put in place to really take that off of your plate, to put the efficiency there so that you can continue to grow that business the way you need to. Really what they're looking to become is more efficient, right? More efficient in that growth. Take away the time that they have to spend in the business so they can spend it on the business. I love working with passionate people. People that want to see their growth of their business, want to see that succeed, want to see just not even just for the business itself, but for their own home life, right? Because as they grow that business, as they succeed in that, their personal endeavors, and they're able to really take care of all that. I just really love working with clients that are passionate about what they do. And that's really the key for me. Hire for the future, not the past. When you're ready to grow, you need a CPA who can plan with you, not just keep score. Plan ahead with expert insight. Ask us about our advisory services. Want more insights like this? Visit truenorthaccounting.com.